I made a 5 things to avoid in Istanbul video, and a lot of you really appreciated those tips. So, here are 5 things to do in Cappadocia, Turkey. But first, let's play the intro. Okay, at number 5, hop on a hot air balloon ride. Let's be honest, if you're coming to Cappadocia, this is the main reason for it. Every morning, the sky fills up with hundreds of hot air balloons, and it is the most magical sight ever. The ride itself can get really pricey, and if you're on a very strict timeline, I would suggest to book them online in advance. However, if you're staying in Cappadocia for a few days or even a week, then I would suggest booking them in person because the rates can vary day by day depending on the number of bookings. So if you're lucky while you're there, you can even get a really good deal that you won't find online. So the way it works is that early morning when it's still dark out, a driver picks you up from your hotel and then you make your way down to the takeoff location. So while you're there, you watch as they blow up this huge hot air balloon, which can take some time. But while you watch them fill up this balloon, the sky slowly starts filling up with the balloons as well. The ride lasts anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes. And watch out for the landing, cause it can get a little bumpy. At number 4. Okay, at number 4, ride an ATV quad bike. If you've never rode a quad bike before, don't worry, there are ATV tours and you ride as a group. So if you get stuck, there's someone that can help you out. It's quite fun and you get to watch a beautiful sunset at the end of the tour. Just a warning though, there will be a lot of dust. Midway through the quad bike ride, I was starting to look like I was 8 years old as my hair and beard turned white from all that dust. At number 3, go on a red, blue, green tour. Cappadocia offers a variety of day tours that are labeled as red, blue, or green. Each tour offers something different depending on how much time you have and what your interests are. I actually ended up doing a mix of red and green tour. The blue tour consists of a lot of historical sites and I didn't have the time, so I decided to skip that. But if you're into that, then definitely go for it. With each tour, you have a tour guide, and I was lucky to have an amazing tour guide. His name is Sarhat, by the way, and I'll put up his Instagram somewhere here, so if you're there, definitely contact him. We explored the Red Valley and its amazing landscapes, Love Valley, and Pigeon Valley. Let me tell you that Pigeon Valley is really truthful to its name, because there were a lot of pigeons there. At number 2, go talk to strangers. I know, in my last video I advised you against talking to strangers in Istanbul, but that's because Istanbul is a large dense city with a large influx of tourists, so scams there are very likely. Cappadocia isn't like Istanbul. The people there are super friendly, so go ahead, go talk to the locals, go talk to other tourists. I actually made a good friend in Cappadocia myself, so maybe you can make one too. Last tip at number 1. Explore the town. You will most likely be staying in the town called Goreme. I hope I pronounced that right. Pretty sure it's Goreme. You'll most likely be staying there because this is where everyone stays. Make sure you stay at a cave hotel, preferably owned by a family because they will treat you like one. I had an amazing experience at the family cave hotel where I was staying. Every alley, every street is worth exploring because this place is beautiful. And I can't wait to come back here again. There you have it. Those are 5 things to do in Cappadocia, Turkey. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more travel and tech related videos. That's it from me. Peace.
Here we are, 7 days. It's ritual.